Good morning, you beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Well, I'm back, okay? Yes, I had some good, proud news. Look at this. Boom. My military accomplishments. Your boy did it. Feeling good. Sergeant First Class. Shout out to my boy, Determined Veteran. You guys check him out on YouTube. Determined Veteran, okay? The D stands for determined, not disabled. Get him, brother, man. All right, big thing, man. Welcome to the senior non-commissioned officer, baby. I'm a senior. All that means, guys, is I have a lot more reach. I have some more reach to help soldiers, all right? Help out my seniors, support my seniors, work with my peers, and definitely work with my subordinates, work with my troops, right? Take care of them, doing the right thing. So I'm doing it. I feel good. I can't wait. Make sure in the comments for all my veterans, if you're in the military, give me some good tips below. Let me know some good comments, man. Let me know in the comments below what are some things to look out for. I know it's the new changing army. Our Sharpen EO program is a very big thing. I want to continue to educate myself on those realms, educate my troops, support my troops through my education, and also raise the new army, right? Understand that I got 10 years left. I'm not going to be doing this forever. So other than that, we're going to head outside, start the car, take it out, right? We're going to wash it. I'm going to show you what I have when I hit the garage. We're going to do an iodine kind of thing to remove these hard saps and stuff and other impurities on my paint. And then we are going to clay bar the car. And then honestly, after I clay bar it, I'll probably wax it, lock it in. Again, I hate wax as it's only 2 to 3 months. That's what I have right now. I would like to do more of a ceramic because the ceramic is going to last more a year or two. But we work with what we have, right? If you guys enjoy the content, please like, subscribe, and give me some tips about paint care. I'm getting into it. I usually pay people to do it. I've been in Hawaii for 2 years and haven't done anything to the paint yet due to the fact that ceramic out here is going to be like $1,000 or $2,000, I promise you. In Texas, I was quoted full ceramic for the car, $800, which was a great thing, 2 days turnaround. But yeah, out here, I don't know. But until next time, that's what it is. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's head to the garage. All right, we got the car outside. Boom. Here we go. These are the products I bought. So Iron X, Car Pro. I used to use Adams polish, and then it's hard to get Adam polish. If you try to order it online from eBay or Amazon, you cannot get it out here. Literally, it's that illegal. So I went with Chemical Guys, but I feel like they're a little too cheap. Car Pro is another one they use, big on the island out here. So this is an iron filling and contaminant cleaner. And then we have the detail clay bar. So we're gonna go ahead and get the contaminants off, right? Just with the spray. Spray's only gonna stay on for about 4 to 5 seconds. It's gonna be quick reactant. I need to make sure I wet everything on the car that I don't want damaged because it will eat away any of the trim around the windows and stuff. And then we're going to clay it to get those bigger impurities out. And then we are going to go from there. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to wash the car. Then I'm going to spray the car with the iron, spray the iron back off, and then go from there.
Some days I get quiet and get distant, cause it's the only way I can get you to listen. I didn't want to do this, but you made me. Baby girl, you really drive me crazy. You said don't test you wanna.
All right, so the next step is to get this Iron Pro opened up. And this stuff is really, really strong. Oh. Yeah, this stuff is super strong, and it stinks. Powerful iron fillings and contaminant, like I said, for paint, wheels, glass, plastic, all that stuff. So you don't want to leave it on too much, all right? So wash the surface, shake the bottle well, spray on it, wait 3 to 5 minutes while contaminants change color, and from purple to red, rub it with a damp, soft sponge. Avoid drying under direct sunlight. Rinse well with water. Alright, so the first panel I want to start with here will be the door. Again, so I'm going to wash surface, shake the bottle well. I did it, spray on, wait 5 minutes. And then it says rub it damp with a soft sponge. Alright guys, I have it sprayed on the car. This is it before, this is it after. You can see those particles, so you can see that it's working. It said it go from red to purple. This is the purple. If you guys can see, hopefully you can. Alright, I did it on the wheels as well. You can see all where the purple is. That is all the reactant with the iron. Of course, the calipers are coming out shaped pretty funny, or colored pretty funny. But again, that's what it looks like, reacting with the iron. That is the purple. I'm going to take it off the rims because I don't trust it on there for too long. Hold on. Let's see. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. We're gonna go with the trunk. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I'll even go with back here because you don't want it. This is plastic. This isn't really metal. But again, this is sap. When I first bought the car, I could not get this off. So let's see if this will come off. But if not, I'll try to use the clay. Alright, that should be good enough. It's on the trunk. Let's give it time. Alright, let's see what we got. Look at all that iron. Look at all that iron. Not much up here. Well, yeah, under here. But wow, that is a lot of iron. Let's go ahead and get it off. Get it at an angle like this so we could go ahead and wash it down. I'll see if the clay bar gets that part. Alright, she is fully iron sprayed all around. Might not be able to tell much right now, but she's fully coated and done. So now what we need to do is, why is this fly on my car? Can somebody tell me why is there a fly on my car? Look, get away. Oh, you trying to eat the iron? Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Ah! I missed. Missed. Now, let's bring the baby into the car garage. That is time. And then we will start on the clay bar. Alright people, what we have next here is the clay bar, okay? So, I'm pretty stupid, I need to read directions. It is what it is, alright? Make your finish as smooth as glass while removing harmful surface contaminants such as paint, spray, tree sap, bug residue, industrial fallout, stubborn dirt, blah 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 blah, okay? It is safe for all types of vehicle, car, truck, got it. Directions: thoroughly wash, rinse the entire vehicle, spray, blah 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 blah. Form the clay into a oval shape, alright? And gently rub the clay bar over the wet surface using a back and forth motion until you feel contaminants removed while the surface dry with a clean cloth. Microfiber type. Alright, so let's do that, right? Open her up. I got my clay. I'm gonna keep that to reseal it later. Now, some of you might destroy me in the comments because I don't know if I should use this whole piece or break it up, because this is pretty big. What would you guys do? I'm just gonna use the whole piece for now. It says make it in an oval. It's kind of in a square right now, so I could probably use the bag itself. And then, of course, like I said, I rinsed the car and I left it moist, because that's what's going to be needed. I have no idea what I'm doing, but you live, you learn. I care to YouTube something right now, but I'm going to go strictly off these directions and just see how it turns out. Hopefully, it turns out. I need to make an oval. And it's not really looking ovally right now. Surface circular motion. Let's go. And you could feel, if you have any imperfections, you're gonna feel that grit. Alright? You're gonna feel that stick. So that's what's pretty awesome. Like, some surfaces are smooth, others get really, really rough. I have a ton of fallout. I have a ton of fallout on here. There's definitely some little specks on here that are just coming right off the paint. Right off. A lot of rap niggas get nervous when they hear my name, nigga. I'm a saying, nigga. Back when you was watching Leave It to Beaver, I was crushing on tequila. I was swagging at Adidas and feelers. Fucking divas calling Venus Serena. Stop my deal and told him Caesar's a beater. Told didn't think I needed you neither. Take him back and tell him I didn't mean it. Cause my uncle said it's cheaper to keep it. A mascot running the back dog. Blast y'all, hats off. Fuck is you mad for? I catch y'all, smash y'all. Don't mean to laugh hard, but are you funny to me? None of you niggas half hard. You think you're coming from me, but you never could last long. You don't mean nothing to me, and I come from shit that make you niggas. Look at this. I hope you guys can see those little small red dots. Yes. Alright guys, we are now going to get the buffer and start tub up. But I want to make sure I can see the paint. Alright, so I got my special little light here. That way I can see what I'm doing on the body. Man, I can see some swirls in the paint. So let's go ahead and get it done, and we'll be back. Alright guys, that is it. I think I'm done. It's waxed, so it's washed. Alright, we washed it. We went ahead and used our Iron X LS from CarPro. Again, lemon scented, said powerful iron filing, and contaminants. So some of the contaminants, remember, are things that can clean this glass, plastic, wheels, paint. Contaminants that it can remove will be your somewhere here. Hold on a second. Whatever, I can't find it, but it removes a bunch of stuff. I promise you that much. It removes a bunch of stuff. After that, we went ahead and used the clay bar, which I rebagged and put back in the bag right here. So that is it. I got all my material from, again, the company is called Iron X. Let's see how it works. We'll see how long it lasts for. I will start ditching, and I wax, as you guys can see, but I will ditch wax, and I'm going to ceramic. Comments again below which one's the best, which ones you guys used before. I think the final product is pretty nice. Here goes the final product. I pulled it out, and let's get a B-roll.
Yeah. A nigga saying what a great battle, but you about to see a fucking snake rattle. Boy, you just a pony with a pink saddle. I'm truly sorry that you stuck inside of Drake's shadow. When are you gonna overcome? When are you gonna level up? When are you gonna grow another foot? When are you gonna show us that you number one? And everything that you accomplished in some years about to take me just a couple months. Don't you think I'm bluffing either? I thought you were tough and eager. How you almost sounded Justin Bieber? You look like a fucking beaver. 10 years in the game, but your ass still sitting on the fucking bleachers. Boy, you just another diva. Heard your grandmama kicked you out the house screaming, Tori, we don't fucking need you. Why your daddy up and leave you? I guess this is how they fucking treat you. And you my puppet, you my cousin Skeeter. This ain't what you wanted, they been waiting for it. I'm Jordan Lucas, what the fuck you niggas take me for? I pull up in the demon, but I kill Satan for it. If you want attention, Tori, you gon' have to pay me for it. All these